Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I am going to show you how you can type less and do more on iPhone. We will use a simple tool called text replacement built in iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For that, you need to go to settings and settings, search for general, click on general, then go down here, you will find out keyboard, click on keyboard. At the top you will see keyboard and then text replacement, click on this. At right top corner you will see plus, click on this, and here you will specify what you want to be in the shortcut. For example, I will say add shortcut, I will say double at the rate abc, for example, at the rate gmail.com, right? Then click on save. You can do whatever you want. Then again I will click on plus, then the phrase will be like youtube.com backslash solutions nurse, and the shortcut will be simply YT, and then click on save. You can do a lot of these. Whenever I type at the rate and space, it will shift it to that shortcut, and you do not need to type the whole email or Gmail of yours. For example, I will say YT and then space, the all phrase will be here. You can do whatever shortcuts in there in text replacement, and when you type that shortcut and then click on space, the whole phrase will be here. Type less and do more. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.